We've got Lila here, Lila Kemmer. Wow, look at that. That was a good cheer. I think you got more of a cheer than Luke did in that first cheer. So if you have a moment, I know we're still packing, but Lila wants to say a few words of appreciation and some other factors of where these meals are going. So if you can pay attention for the next minute or two.
All right, everyone, how are we feeling?
Woo!
You guys are absolutely killing it. We're about halfway through our second shift. Once we hit our goal of about 200,000, the meals you have packed today will be shipped around feeding centers all around Ecuador, Uganda, and Dominican Republic. My family and I would just like to say thank you to the amount of insane support. You guys are awesome.
Woo!
If you didn't know, one of the 1 meal boxes can feed a child for an entire year. That makes a huge difference. So once again, thank you and keep packing those meals.
Woo!